Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Binance app and access the Assets tab from bottom right corner. After that, tap on Deposit and select the cryptocurrency to Solana. Once selected, choose Solana Network and you will be provided with a receiving address. Simply copy this address. Now, go back to the Phantom Wallet app, select Solana, and tap on Send. Paste the address you copied from Coinbase into the field. Once the address is confirmed, enter the amount of Solana you wish to send. For this example, let's send 10 Solana. Tap Next, review the transaction, and confirm the send. You will see a confirmation that the transaction has been sent. Now, back in Binance, go to Trade from the bottom and select P2P. Next, choose Sell from the top, change coin to Solana. Choose Bank Transfer as the payment method, and then select the preferred merchant to sell the Solana and get the money into your connected bank account. So that's basically how you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.